Mario! In this video we're going to start looking at projecting up for our elevations and getting things underway. So let's get going. Out of here and into this one here, basic. This one here. No. Let's get our screen back on. And this one. No, this one. That's the one. That's the one. Okay, so here we are. We're ready to do this. So what I've done is I've done a little bit of research back through the plans and things like that, and to establish a few little bits of lines. And again, we're going to probably use a cross-section line and get things out of the way. So I'm going to go XL, a cross-section line and a horizontal one, and I'm just going to put that in there, really. And that one there, that's going to be the ground level. Now the minimum height above ground level for finished floor level is 150 mils, so I'm going to offset that by 150, 150, enter, and I'm going to put that in there. So that's if we measure that there with a line with a measure, when we measure that, we'll see that that should be 150 mils. So that's that one there is ground level, and then on top of that we have finished floor level, FFL. Now what we have about that then is the top of the truss level, which is shown 2445. So offset, enter, 2445. It's important that you check these measurements as they are critical, obviously, in the sense that if you get them wrong, you've you know, quite a significant amount of work. So that's finished floor level to the underside of the truss. Okay, to the underside of the truss, which you'll see in there, put in there at various stages. That's to the underside of the truss. Okay, so that's the underside of the truss there, up the, oh, hang on, where is it? Did I do it from the wrong one? Oh no, there it is there. So that's it, underside of the truss. Now this point there, it's a little bit tricky to work out a few other bits and pieces. Okay, below the truss you will have the purlins and that hold up, or the roof ceiling battens, and then a sort of maybe 12.5 mil jib attached to that. Okay, so now we're going to start projecting up for each of these things. So what I'm going to do is use a ray. I think I might use a ray rather than a construction line. So you can just go up to here, go draw, and draw there, and use the ray, okay, which is just RAY. And the start point for the ray, well, I'm going to start there, and that'll be for the up there, and we need to make sure our ortho's turned on. So that's just projecting that point up there. That's a point that we need to project up there. Okay, and that'll give us that. Now then we're going to project here the another point here. No, so now we've got to do another, well, we can do this by just copying, it's probably the best, CP, enter, and I haven't included any issues around layers just yet, so that's going to be that point there, which is going to be the edge of the brickwork there. And then obviously then we've got a window opening here, so I'll just go with the opening there, and then we'll fit the window. So the window opening there, and another window opening here. That's probably going to be an important point. Another window opening here as we work our way along, and as I work my way along I realise that I have made a big mistake, and in fact I should not be projecting from there, but in fact from the bottom. So I'm going to take those ones out there, because we should be projecting from down here, because this is what we're looking at, and we want to look at it from down here, so we're going to project from there upwards. So I might actually just move these two here, just for consistency. I'll just move that one there down to there, and yeah, now we can start to look here, and then I'm just going to copy these now. This one, CP, enter, and start putting it in here, and this is there. So window opening there, and then that's the little edge of that there. There's a window here, a window here, the edge of that there, and then we've got the door in here, so we've got a little bit of a door that fits in there, and then a door here, end of the door, and then the window starts. So it's a door window sort of thing going on there, and these are all projecting upwards to give those lines there. And then we've got another window here, a window here, oops, a further window here, further window here, edge of a building here, roof line here. So that's projecting all those up across that, what's going on there. So that's all very good. And then we're going to start down here doing these ones here. So this is an, oops, escape. So I must have lost my mojo a bit there. So the ray. So CP for copy, and that's going to be my base point. You've always got to be thinking with these what's the names here. Oh, not having so much success there. The ray, CP. Finally, hopefully. Oh, okay. So one there, then we've got windows there. I'll put this as a door line there, door line there, door line there, window there, window, window, and then here you'll see that line through there, and you'll also see that line through there, and you'll also see the roof line there, like so. So there they are, all up there, all projected up. Okay, all those various lines projected up there, and we can start to work with our elevation in the next one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a floor plan. I'm going to create a new layer properties, and the new layer will be create a new layer here, which is that one. Okay, and I'm going to call it elevations. Okay, oh, onto the capital E, elevation, E-L-E-V-A-T, elevations, just for now is the thing, and we'll make that, oh, I already had a, oh, that's become layer 1. Apparently I already had an elevations layer that would have been brought in from when I perhaps copied something in from another plan that had an elevations layer in it. So we'll use that. So what we're going to do is just copy all of this stuff here, and I'm going to put that into the elevations layer. There, like that, like so. Okay, and this is our elevation here. The elevation is going to form in there. All right. All very well. I think we'll leave it there, and we'll come back and continue on from there in the next video. Cheers.